Caregiving is a labor of love. It's also demanding. The responsibilities can be endless, from managing medications to assisting with daily activities. Each task, though done with love, can add to the weight you carry. It can take a toll on your emotions. You might feel overwhelmed. You might feel stressed. The constant pressure can make you feel like you're always on edge, never having a moment to yourself. You might even feel burnt out. And these feelings are normal. It's common to feel like you're running on empty with no energy left to give. It's important to acknowledge them. Recognizing these emotions is the first step towards addressing them. By acknowledging your feelings, you can begin to find ways to cope and seek the support you need. I've seen firsthand the challenges caregivers face. The emotional and physical demands can be overwhelming, and it's crucial to find a balance. As a neurosurgeon, I witness the dedication and resilience of family members caring for loved ones. Their strength is inspiring, but it's also important to recognize when they need help. I've learned that tending to the emotional well-being of the caregiver is as crucial as caring for the patient. Self-care isn't selfish, it's necessary. Taking time for yourself can help you recharge and be more present for your loved one. Remember, you're not alone in this journey. There are many others who understand what you're going through. Connecting with support groups can provide a sense of community and shared experience. Many caregivers experience similar challenges. Sharing your story and hearing others can be incredibly validating and comforting. Recognizing the emotional impact of caregiving is the first step to managing it effectively. Consider talking to a therapist or counselor who can provide professional support and guidance. Take a moment to acknowledge your feelings. Reflect on your experiences and give yourself permission to feel whatever comes up. Don't judge yourself for feeling overwhelmed or stressed. These emotions are a natural response to the demands of caregiving. It's okay to not be okay sometimes. Allow yourself the grace to feel and to seek the support you need. Stress is a natural response to challenging situations. It's your body's way of preparing to face a threat or challenge. As a caregiver, you're bound to experience stress. The demands of caring for someone else can be overwhelming. Finding healthy ways to manage this stress is crucial. Regular physical activity like jogging or yoga can help release tension. Relaxation techniques can be incredibly helpful. They can provide a much-needed break from the constant demands of caregiving. Deep breathing exercises are simple yet effective. Find a quiet space, close your eyes, focus on your breath. Inhale deeply through your nose. Feel your lungs expand as you take in the air. Hold for a few seconds. This pause allows your body to absorb the oxygen. Exhale slowly through your mouth. Let go of any tension as you release the breath. Repeat this several times. You'll be amazed at how quickly this can calm your mind. It's a simple yet powerful way to reduce stress. Another powerful technique is meditation. It's a practice that has been used for centuries to promote relaxation and mental clarity. Meditation involves focusing your mind on a single point, sound, or thought. This helps to quiet the constant chatter in your head. Even a few minutes a day can make a big difference. There are many apps and guided meditations available online. These can be a great way to get started if you're new to meditation. Find one that resonates with you. The right app can provide structure and guidance, making it easier to incorporate meditation into your daily routine. Self-care is not selfish. It's essential. Taking time for yourself is crucial for maintaining your overall well-being. When you're taking care of someone else, it's easy to neglect your own needs. You might feel like there's no time left for yourself. But remember, you can't pour from an empty cup. If you don't take care of yourself, you won't be able to care for others effectively. Make time for activities that bring you joy and replenish your energy. Whether it's painting, gardening, or any other hobby, these moments are vital. Think about things you used to enjoy. Reading, listening to music, or even picking up a new hobby can be incredibly fulfilling. Taking a warm bath, these small pleasures can make a big difference in how you feel. These small pleasures can make a big difference. They help you feel rejuvenated and ready to face the challenges of the day. Incorporate them into your daily routine. Plan and schedule these activities, just like you would any other important task. Physical activity is also crucial for both your physical and mental health. Exercise releases endorphins, which can improve your mood. Even a short walk can boost your mood and reduce stress. Nature has a calming effect that can help you feel more grounded. Find an activity you enjoy and make it a regular part of your life. Whether it's dancing, playing a sport, or practicing yoga, consistency is key. Joining a support group can be incredibly beneficial. It provides a safe space to connect with others who understand your challenges. Sharing your experiences, fears, and frustrations can be incredibly therapeutic. Support groups offer a sense of community and belonging. You'll realize you're not alone in this journey. Other caregivers can offer practical advice, emotional support, and a listening ear. Don't hesitate to reach out to a local support group or look for online communities. These connections can make a world of difference in your emotional well-being. Speaking your truth. Communicating your needs effectively. Many caregivers struggle to ask for help. They feel like they need to handle everything on their own. But remember, it's okay to ask for support. In fact, it's essential. Start by communicating your needs to family and friends. Be specific about what you need help with, whether it's running errands, preparing meals, or simply providing companionship. Don't be afraid to be honest about your feelings. Let your loved ones know when you're feeling overwhelmed or exhausted. Open communication is key to building a strong support system. Sharing the load, building a caregiving team. Think of caregiving as a team effort. You don't have to do it all alone. Reach out to family members, friends, neighbors, or community resources to create a caregiving team. Delegate tasks based on people's strengths and availability. Even small contributions can make a big difference. Someone might be able to handle grocery shopping while another person can help with transportation to appointments. Remember, asking for help is a sign of strength, not weakness. It allows you to provide the best possible care while taking care of your own well-being. Drawing the line. Setting healthy boundaries. Setting boundaries is crucial for your well-being. As a caregiver, it's easy to get caught up in the demands of caring for your loved one. However, it's important to establish clear boundaries between your caregiving responsibilities and your personal life. This might involve setting specific times for caregiving tasks and sticking to them. It's okay to say no to additional requests or commitments if you're feeling overwhelmed. Remember, setting boundaries is not selfish. It's about protecting your own physical, emotional, and mental health so you can continue to provide the best possible care. Rediscovering you. Maintaining your personal life. Caregiving can consume your life if you let it. It's essential to maintain your own identity and interests outside of your caregiving role. Make time for activities you enjoy, even if it's just for a few minutes each day. Stay connected with friends and engage in hobbies that bring you joy. These activities provide a much-needed respite from the demands of caregiving and help you recharge your batteries. Remember, you are not just a caregiver. You are a unique individual with your own needs and aspirations. Nurturing those aspects of yourself is essential for your overall well-being. Finding balance, juggling, caregiving, and personal time. Finding balance is an ongoing process. There will be days when caregiving demands more of your time and energy. Other days, you'll have more flexibility to focus on your personal life. Be kind to yourself and don't strive for perfection. Some days will be easier than others. The key is to find a rhythm that works for you and allows you to meet both your caregiving responsibilities and your personal needs. You've got this. Embracing support and encouragement. Caregiving is a marathon, not a sprint. It's a journey filled with challenges and rewards. Remember to celebrate your strength, resilience, and unwavering dedication. Don't hesitate to seek support when you need it. Organizations like Signal Health Group offer valuable resources, guidance, and a listening ear. You are not alone on this journey. Embrace the support of loved ones, professionals, and fellow caregivers. Together, you can navigate the challenges and experience the joys of caregiving while prioritizing your own well-being.